Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're moving higher today. 10-year note futures trading higher for a second session. Today we're looking at the futures market retaking that 109 handle, currently priced at 109.04. So in the middle of the range here for the last couple of weeks, but holding on to this 109 handle, which I think psychologically has some significance as the markets continue to digest various themes. And today, a couple of things influencing the market. Number one, the Fed minutes yesterday, some potential discussions about augmenting the balance sheet runoff, and I think that that's having an impact in the market. A couple of that was data points this morning, weekly jobless claims coming in a little bit higher than anticipated, within the range, but still holding here. And overall, we did see other data points this morning that didn't have too much of an impact. But the third factor, I think, also influencing the market here the last couple of days are the Fed discussions. We've had a lot of Fed speakers over the last couple of days. And again, shifting dynamic as far as expectations moving forward, as it does appear that the CME FedWatch tool right now is pricing in a high probability of another rate cut here in the middle of the summer. So looking at the yields today, looking at that 10-year yield down 3.5 basis points to 450 basis points. And the yield curve is moving lower pretty much across the entire curve today, from the short-dated bills all the way out to the long-dated bonds. And I also want to point out that we did have some auctions this morning, four-week bills and 8-week bills, and the yields came in a little bit lower than where they had previously been priced. So overall, we are seeing yields slightly lower across that entire yield curve by 0.5 basis point to 2 basis points, depending on where it impacts the curve. But in the case of the 10-year, actually having the biggest impact today, we're down 3.5 basis points currently around that 450 basis point level.